It's a new year, and if you are like most people, you probably have a set of goals that you want to accomplish before the end of the year. One of the best ways to accomplish these goals is through the use of a vision board. You need a poster board, or maybe a cork board, or a small canvas. A stack of old magazines always helps. Scissors, markers, glue, paint, tape, thumbtacks, or pens. In order to visualize your goal, first you need to know what they are. They don't have to be physical objects or literal interpretations of what you want in your life. Instead, maybe focus on how the images make you feel. Include words on your vision board that express how you may want to feel, such as joyful or powerful, financially free, respected, successful. What we know at the Bello Dimora Network is that what you focus on expands. Make it a fun experience. Include your friends and family in on the process. So here's to you. Best of luck and wishing you much success in the new year.